How to get streaks on TikTok. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get streaks on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, since the streaks are a new feature, you will need to update your TikTok. So to update your TikTok, simply search for TikTok in your app store and there you should find TikTok. Now if you see an update button right here, tap on update and update the app. After updating the app, open it up. Make sure that you're logged in into your account, and after doing that, you can head over to the inbox section. Under the inbox section, you should find the list of people that you talk to, and it's right here. So as you can see right here, you will get the TikTok reels that your friends will share to you. So all you have to do is start sharing back the TikToks. So if you start sharing TikToks, you will notice that streaks will start. So as you can see right here, you will need to keep chatting to unlock a streak. And to unlock a streak by messaging each other, you will need to message for 3 consecutive days. And after you do that, you will unlock a streak. And it's basically that simple. All you have to do is keep on sharing memes or sharing TikToks with each other, and you should get the streaks by the 3rd day. And that's how you get streaks on TikTok, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.